Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A for alligator, B for banana. So kids, let's start the video. Purple color. ये है A for alligator और A for apple. ये है A. Black color. ये है B for banana और B for boy. ये है B for banana और B for boy. Red color. ये है C for camel और C for cow. Purple color. ये है one. ये है one. Black color. ये है two. two. ये है two. Red color. ये है three. Three. ये है tree. A for alligator और A for apple. B for banana और B for boy. C for camel और C for cow. One. Two. Two. Three. Three. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.